camera correctly? Where am I looking?
You're looking at the camera, but it looks like you're reading something.
Well, because I am! My name is Taylor O'Connell, and in this video series, I'll be your guide to ranking on Google. In this first video, we're talking about website SEO for beginners. Do you want to learn how to get free organic traffic to your website? Well, you're in luck because today we'll show you exactly how to rank higher in search results. With over 1.7 billion websites out there, it can be tough to stand out, but proper website SEO is a necessity if you want to drive visitors to your site. Whether you're a startup trying to get traction or just want to attract more people to your website, we've got you covered. I've spent a lot of time learning about how to grab people's attention online, and I've got a few tricks up my sleeve. In this video, I'll share almost everything you need to know about SEO and driving new visitors to your website. I'll even show you a real case study. So grab some popcorn, pour your favorite drink, and get ready to learn all about website SEO with me, Taylor. Trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for joining me for the first video in our series on your guide to ranking on Google. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into the world of SEO and answering the question, what is website SEO in 2023? We'll be covering the latest trends and best practices to help you stay on top of your SEO game. So make sure to tune in for part 1 and don't forget to like and follow. I'll see you in the next video.